Lawyers and supporters of the People's Democratic Party in Taraba State are in the courtroom as the Supreme Court takes a decision on the authentic candidate of the party for the March 11 governorship election. The court had taken arguments in the case filed by one of the aspirants for the People's Democratic Party Taraba State governorship ticket, Professor Jerome Nyame, who had argued that the eventual winner, Mr. Kefas Agbu, did not get the party's nomination form and expression of interest form. He also argues that Mr. Agbu was the state chairman of the party as at the time of the party primary. However, the five-man panel of justices led by Justice Emmanuel Agim dismissed the suit on the grounds that they lacked merit and were deemed premature. The court further states that the failure of the appellants to include other aspirants who took part in the primary at the early stages of the trial robbed them of the right to a fair hearing.
The truth is that if the persons who took this case to court had listened to wise counsel, there was absolutely no need to have approached the court in the first place. The political parties have internal dispute resolution mechanisms, and it is indeed one of the reasons why the appeal was dismissed, that the appellants did not resort to the internal dispute resolution mechanism of the party before approaching the courts, and that approaching the appeal panel of the political party is one of the conditions precedent for there to be a course of action in challenging the outcome of a primary election. So that's it.
The Court of Appeal in Yola, Adamawa State, had affirmed Mr. Agbu as the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party in Taraba State, dismissing the appeal brought by Professor Nyame, challenging the ruling of the Federal High Court, Jalingo, which upheld the PDP primary in the state.